In this video, we're going to go over our core focus. So we went over our values. Now we're going to talk about our core focus. A core focus, some companies call it a mission statement. This is another thing, just like the values. You see this a lot at a company where it's just words on a wall. It doesn't mean anything. They don't filter their decisions through them. At Glass Specialist, that's much different. If it doesn't fit our values, if it doesn't fit our core focus, we're not going to do it. It doesn't matter if it's making us extra money. So we know what we do. We replace windshields. We know how we do it. This is how we conduct ourselves, by following these values. And the reason why we do it is because we are going to provide our guests safety and security by embracing the extreme importance of a properly installed windshield, as if our family were driving in each vehicle. Sometimes when I say that, I'll take out the family and put as if my own daughter was in the back of each vehicle. So a properly installed windshield, meaning that you used urethane that's not expired, you waited the proper amount of time for the primer to dry, you actually used primer, will actually hold the windshield, well, it'll hold the roof up. It'll keep the roof from collapsing in the event of a rollover. And 1 out of 7,000 vehicles result in a fatality accident. 1 in 2,500 are potentially fatal. So that's where we come in. We do about 5,000 windshields a year, so you could make the argument by properly installing the windshield, 2 people a year, or maybe there was a family, lived because their roof didn't collapse on them in the event of a rollover. So we're saving lives. Another way to look at this is, I see other companies that do this wrong. Let's talk about an HVAC company I saw the other day. Their mission statement was providing high quality HVAC parts and services while making a profit and offering a low price. And I just thought that was ridiculous, because what are you really doing when you're in the HVAC business? You're selling heat and AC, which does what? Well, it keeps people alive in the summer. It keeps you comfortable and allows you to sleep better. What happens when you sleep better? You have a better day. So you're literally improving the quality of people's lives. Another guy that actually got this down was Jay Hoffman. He's the one that helped us come up with our mission statement. They sell mattresses. He doesn't have a mission statement that says, we sell high quality mattresses at a low price delivered to you with satisfaction and smiles. No, he got it. We help people find the right mattress that will allow them to get better sleep and improve their lives. So if you ask Jay what he did when he was in the mattress business, he said we improve lives. So at Glass Specialist, we save lives. We put windshields in. We follow our values. This is how we do it. And the reason why is we save lives.